Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Temmie here, and today I want to do a review. So today I want to do a review on this new Jacklyn Hill and Morphe collaboration, or Morphe and Jacklyn Hill collaboration, and I got the palette Ring the Alarm. So I haven't opened it yet. I don't know how it looks like. I haven't done swatches, but this palette I saw was like the most, you know, the one that called me the most, because I love the burgundy shades in it, and I was like, it's so pretty. So let me give you guys some background to this palette, the background information that I know of, based on reviews and Jacklyn Hill's videos. So basically this is a, you know, Morphe was supposed to release this palette before, but then there were like some inconsistency with the way that the pigments were pressed. So, you know, they held the release date, moved it, and then fixed everything. Probably cost them millions of dollars, but they apparently fixed the problem, you know, changed the inconsistency, and they were able to release the palette. It was really soon. They were able to release it pretty soon. Yeah, so this is the palette right here, Ring the Alarm. I got it from Ulta. It was $15. Each palette is $15, or you could get the whole collection for $50, I believe. And so basically this palette also is like extra shades, extra colors from the Morphe x Jacklyn Hill palette, the first palettes. And I guess these are shades that she loved, but she didn't get to include in all those. I mean, she didn't get to include in the Jacklyn Hill palette in the first one. And yeah, she just separated them by color stories. But I have a question. Okay, I think it's like, how many eyeshadows is in this? I don't know. Maybe it's like, we'll see. Maybe it's like 12 eyeshadows in each. But let's pretend it's 12. I'm not exactly sure how many eyeshadows are in each box, but let's pretend it's 12. There's 4 color stories. 12, I mean, yeah, 4 palettes. 12 times 4 is 48. So are you telling me that 48 shades did not, you made 48 extra shades that did not make it to the palette, to the main palette? Like, I don't know, I kind of find that hard to believe. I really love Jacklyn, but I really find that hard to believe, like, that 48 shades did not make it to the palette. Like, you know, it took you 2 years to make this certain palette, you know. It took you 2 years for the original palette, and you're telling me in those 2 years there were all these extra shades. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not Jacklyn, so that's none of my business. But I was told that based on some of the reviews that I've seen, there were some repeats, and she did mention that there may be some repeats. But yeah, anyways, let's get to this unboxing. So the back of the box, you know, the front of the box, it's cute. I just really hate that it's white. I hate white eyeshadow palettes because it gets so dirty so quickly. Anyways, this is it. It is 16 grams. It says Morphe x Jacklyn Hill and Ring the Alarm, and like she mentioned, like in each there's going to be like the color story. I don't know, you guys can't really see it on camera, but like there's burgundy all over here with the sparkles, and it says on the back, I'm so you know, it shows her picture, and it says, I'm so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection. And then there's like a French version x Jacklyn Hill. So then over here is the same thing as the outside. This is it. There's a mirror, like she said. This is like a really cute compact eyeshadow. Wow, looking at it so far, there are 10 eyeshadows. Oops. So that means that in all there are 40 eyeshadows that did not make it into the original Jacklyn Hill palette. So there are about like 1, 2, 3, 4, or like there's like 5 shimmer shades. This Siren is like a matte shimmer, and 5 matte shades. Let me attempt to swatch it. You guys, I don't know if I have the best swatch, but let me attempt to swatch it for y'all. Ooh. So this is the first. Oh. Okay, this swatch was a fail. Let me not swatch. But I was trying to swatch it for you guys, like, but based on what, you know, but with the little swatches that I've done, I mean, it's very creamy. It's very nice. I personally don't have the first Jacklyn Hill palette. I was hoping to get it, but I never got down to it. Some of the shadows, based on like the swatch that I just did, this is it. Yeah, I'm not the best swatcher person, so we're gonna ignore that. So basically, everything, for the most part, a lot of it keeps slipping off my hand. For the most part, a lot of the shadows feel buttery, except for this one, Alert. It feels a bit chalky. Like it's even like when I try to slide it, this is it right here. When I try to slide it, if you can really tell, if you can really see it, it looks a bit like it doesn't slide down properly. It looks a bit chalky. So we're gonna do a full look with this eyeshadow. I've already primed my eyes with concealer, and yeah. That color is too orange. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna use Mugshot orange. Yeah, no, it's still very orange. Let me just use something else that's under my brow color and move forward. I think that, ooh, this color is orange. It's like, I don't know, like it's not like peachy, but it's like not orange, but I don't know. Let's just call it like a peachy orange. Next, I'm going to take the color Framed and I'm going to blend that in with my transition shade. The shade Secret. And I'm just going to swipe it from side to side in like a windshield wiper motion. I don't know, I'm not really seeing that big of a difference. Yikes. So what do I think about the colors so far? I mean, they're okay. They're like Morphe colors. It's just like, I feel like I've lost some of the colors while I was blending it. I don't know. It's okay. It's like okay. But it's not like Juvia's Place. Like, I'd rather have a Juvia's Place palette than this. I honestly thought I was going to be really excited for this palette, but I'm not. I feel like I already have this palette with my 3502. Like, I don't know. I just feel like I'm losing a lot of colors. I'm losing a lot of colors with this. Like, yeah. It's just like, I don't know. It's not great. I'm not like hyped. It's just there. So, one thing that I'm noticing is that this color on camera is not sticking to my brush. Like, I mean, it's not like showing up. So I just wet the brush and it's still not going the way that I wanted it to. So I'm going to use my hand. And it's still not going the way I wanted to. This is weird. This is a bit shimmer color that's... So I'm trying to take the color Lolly and place it down. It's just, it's not packing down. Like, what is going on? with these shimmer colors. It's not. It's like I'm having to press it down. I'm used to Juvia's Place quality, and this is just not the same. And place that, like, to blend those colors in together. It's a bit muggy, like, I don't know, you guys. It's not applying the way that I was hoping. So I'm gonna go do this eye and I will be right back. Hi guys, so I finished the rest of my face and we are going to, I'm gonna give you my final review on this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette, like I saw myself, it looks a bit, it's okay. But it's like, I feel like you could get this quality from like drugstore. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of this eyeshadow palette. I did a review, like my face right now, my foundation. I did a review on the foundation I'm using. So head over to check out the review. It's gonna be in my description. I don't like this foundation either, but I don't like this eyeshadow. I don't like it. It's basic. I expected more. I felt like I was losing colors when I was blending out the shadow. It's not as like va voom like I thought it was, because it's Morphe and it's Jacklyn Hill and I thought it was gonna be good, but it's not. Like, you guys, I bought a lot of the brushes I used were from the Morphe and Jacklyn Hill. Jacklyn Hill's favorites, and I really love the Morphe brushes that I got from her favorites. So it's like, you know, I'm always here to support her, but nah girl, I don't like this eyeshadow. I'm returning it. I'm getting my coins back because I paid for this with my own money. Like, I was gonna try it, like try this, you know, I was gonna try this eyeshadow and see if I wanted to get the whole collection, because I really wanted the whole collection, but now I don't want it. Like, I'm gonna stick to my Juvia's Place because I haven't seen any eyeshadows that is as bomb as Juvia's Place. Morphe eyeshadows, I like Morphe eyeshadows. I like my 3502 palette. I feel like a lot of these shades are in the 3502 palette, but I prefer the 3502 palette. It blends better, it looks better, and it's not like, you guys, one of the shadows were feeling chalky, like the blendability, like when you, okay, so there's a thing that happens when you blend eyeshadow, like certain eyeshadows, maybe like Juvia's Place, and the color blend is like beautiful. It's like, it's a blend of beautiful colors. I know what I'm talking about because I do this all the time, but I blended it here and you can't even really, I do not like. So there's a certain way that eyeshadows are supposed to blend, but it just felt like a lot of it just did not blend right. A lot of the colors were removed when I blended it. I tried to like some of the shimmer colors were not leaving the brush. I had to spray the brush. Even still, some of them weren't leaving the brush. And then I had to like press it down into my eyes, and it was taking a while. Like, I don't like it. So yeah, I really wanted to like it, but I don't. I'm returning it. Yeah, I prefer my 3502 palette, okay? And Juvia's Place, once again, is great eyeshadows. One of the best eyeshadows you could ever find. Like, I don't know, I get so hesitant to try out these other brands' eyeshadows because I like my Juvia's Place, okay? I like my Juvia's Place. Yeah, that's it. I would not recommend this. This is not Temmie approved, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.